With its stylish design and incredible technology, this super stylish induction hob from AEG will make it easy to cook delicious dishes. There are 5 induction zones for safe and responsive cooking, which can hold pans of various sizes, perfect whether you're cooking a little or a lot. The intelligent AutoMax function boosts the power level so you can reach your chosen temperature faster. Simply press the P icon on your hob and select the heat level you want. The cooking zone will reach the highest temperature before dropping to your chosen setting for the remainder of the cooking time. Now when you need a quick snack, you'll have a delicious meal ready in no time. This model's hob-to-hood technology allows your cooker hood and hob to work together to keep your kitchen free of steam. As you cook, the hood turns on automatically and uses the heat level of the hob to work out how much power it needs to clear away any steam. Whether you're cooking a succulent steak or a sizzling stir-fry, you'll always have a fresh and clear kitchen. If you're looking for an induction hob with incredible technology to help you cook amazing dishes, this stylish model from AEG is the one for you.